Learnabl's focus areas and study methods are designed to work together. So you're not just studying randomly, you're practicing in ways that support how you learn. On the Lernabl home screen, start by choosing the exam you want to work on. Under that, you'll see focus areas. You can leave this on all or pick a specific area such as memory retention or comprehension to highlight methods that support that skill. Next, move to the study methods row. Each method is linked to one or more focus areas, so you can choose tools that match your strengths and challenges. Once you've chosen one, click the study method card to open it and start a session built around your own exam content. If you're still not sure about which focus area or study method to choose, you can go to the guides in the Lernabl menu to find out more. And over time, try mixing different methods so your exam prep stays varied, engaging, and focused on what you need most.